Hello viewers, this is your host from Tech Insight Pro. Now I'm introducing to you the Microsoft Excel 2010 home interface for beginners. In this lecture you learn the interface program from Microsoft Excel. Here I am repeat, this is for beginner. So I am introduced to you the home page of Microsoft Excel. So let's start. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Here is home tab, have got coffee, etc. Font size, font increase, font decrease, then bold, italic, underline, and drop down have double underline, then border order have drop down most of border order, bottom order, top border, left border, right border, and many more options here. Then fill color, font color, then top elegant, middle elegant, and bottom elegant, and left elegant, middle elegant, and right elegant. After that, text orientation. It's need to use text. You can direction change of your text like horizontal, vertical, clockwise, etc. Here is some sample on drop down. Then some equation system like currency, accounts, short date, long date, time, etc. Then currency sign like dollar, pound, yen, Swiss franc, etc. Percentage, comma, then decimal system like 0.20 or single zero. Then conditional formatting, all program have drop down menu and most of program into drop down. Then insert, delete, formatting, auto sum, etc. Then I am show you insert menu. Insert menu have table, picture, clip art, many more shapes, smart art, then screenshot. After that, column, line, 5. Smart art, screenshot, skin clipping, column, line, 5, bar, area, scatter, other charts, line column, win lose, slicer, hyperlinks, text box, head footer, word art, signature line, object, equation and symbol. Then page layout. Page layout, first table have theme, then margin, orientation, size, that means paper size and page size, print area, background, print tiles, wide height scale, sheet to left, heading, bring forwards and backward, section pen, allision. Then formula, insert function, autosum, recently used, financial, logical, text, time and time, date and time, lookup, reference, metric, more function, name manager, define name, and some extra data from access, from web, from text, from other exciting contents. Refresh all, text to column. It have filter, advanced, remove duplication, data validation, consolidate. Then review tab have most program, spelling, research. Then view column, normal, page layout, page border layout, custom views, zoom 100%, new window, arrange, and more. After that, I am introduced to some program, save as, open, close, info, recent, new means new sheet, like some temple, also here black workbook, and sample temples like billing statement, blood pressure tracker, expense report, loan, personal monthly budget, sales report, etc. Agenda, budget, calendar, expense. Most of temples is here. If you want ready-made Excel sheet, you can click here to start some temples. Then now this is special important talk, that's vertical line name is column and horizontal line table name is row. All are rows and all are columns. And this is small table name is cell. All table name is a single cell. Then under the phase have sheet 1, sheet 2. If you want to increase sheet number, here has more sheet, you can add. So we are in of the introducing lecture first. If you have any queries, please comment us under the videos. Thank you.